Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to write a program that's going to print out a triangular pattern like this. In this pattern we have to have 1 on the top, and the second one has to be 2 2, third one has to be 3 3, fourth one has to be 4 4 4 4, like this. Okay, like that we are going to do that for 6. Now let's go ahead and begin. First I'm going to introduce some integer type of variable, because whenever we do the triangular pattern we always have to do like nested for loop. So we need some integer type of variable for that. Integer I, j, k, and then I'm starting my first loop. In the first loop I initialize first for loop. I initialize I with 0, and also I set the condition I is less than 7, and then we do the increment by 1 each time for I. Okay, and the next thing is we are going to create our nested for loop. Nested for loop is a for loop inside of a for loop. That's why we call this one nested for loop. Here we initialize j with 0, and then we set the condition j is less than 7 minus I. And the next thing is we are going to do the increment by 1 each time, j plus plus. This is j is less than 7 minus I. Now the next thing is we are going to print out some space. As you can see, when we begin the space is bigger. As we move downward the space is getting lower, right? So that's why after this we have to create the space. Here for the space we put a printf statement and then leave a space like this. And the next thing is we are going to create another for loop. In this for loop we are going to initialize j with 0, and then we are going to set the condition j is less than I. And after that we are going to do the increment of j by 1 each time, and then we are going to now print out the number. To print out the number we can put printf. Since this is an integer type of variable, we put a %d right here, and we are going to print out whatever the value stored in k. Okay, and also we have to do the increment of k each time. To do the increment we put k plus plus, and every time the loop is finished we have to move to the next line to print out the next thing. So we have to put a printf statement. In this printf statement I put a \n for the new line, and that's it. There are two ways you can do it, but I show you the first way. Let's go ahead and execute this one. Here you can see this is the pattern we expected: 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5. So this is the pattern we want. Now there's another way you can do it. Like you can do this one using ASCII code. ASCII code 1 is equivalent to 48 in ASCII code, like 48, and you have to equalize k is equal to 48, and instead of %d you have to put %c right here, and that's gonna print out the same thing. Okay, there are two ways you can do it, and that's how we do this kind of patterns. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access this code, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and watch them, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.